Percy was a small penguin, smaller than all the others. He often felt left out of the games. One day, feeling glum, Percy wandered off alone. He stumbled upon a giant cold box. Curiosity twinkled in his eyes. He waddled closer and peeked inside. It was a fridge filled with frosty delights. Percy had never seen anything like it. He hopped inside, shivering a bit. Suddenly, he saw a fish frozen in ice. Percy pecked at the ice until the fish was free. He ate it happily, feeling brave and full.